plate for these brakes. And how they work is they got 2 plates with 5 balls between them. And then there's a fiber disc that goes here, and one goes underneath. And as you step on the brakes, it separates pulls up, separates the 2 plates, if you can see, and pushes the brake discs out and stops the vehicle. So that would be just no brakes. Step on it, brakes come on. There'll be 3 little springs that go here, here, and here, and that's what returns the plates after you step on the brakes. The big springs will pull the plates back together. 3 of them. Okay, so we got the brake assembly or actuator inside the housing. And the housing is going to bolt up here on the transfer case like we took off the other day. And then basically there's a fiber disc, just like this one. Got splined to internal teeth. And that's held on or splined to this hub, which the internal spline is spline on a transfer case output shaft. So there'll be a fiber on the bottom, fiber on the top. Then the cover goes on. Yoke would stick out there. Okay, we started putting this back together. Transfer case project. Got our seal sleeve on there, which is that, and our new bearing retainer and seal, and then shim set your end plate or your shaft, which we have to check that. 1 to 3 thousandths is the spec on that. Alright, we've got the one side done. We've got to put the other side together and set the preload on the shaft. Oil galley hole's got to match up with the oil galley hole at the top. About 1.5 thousandths. That's about perfect. Alright, you want to put a bunch of silicone down there because that's going to possibly leak down the splines of the shaft. So we just pump it right up the splines with the little tuber. Okay, got the old T-case ready to go. Brakes are in it, preliminary adjusted. You'll have to double adjust them once he gets it home. We got little plugs to block off our dirt from getting in our brake lines. Got new return springs, got new boots, we got new seals, we got new brakes, we got new T-case seals on the output shaft to the front and back. Should be in pretty good shape. Time to take her back to the woods. Okay, all we got left is to get it on the truck without breaking it and collect our money. That may be easier said than done. Okay, we got the transfer case project ready to ship, and in less than half an hour I've taught all you folks how to replace the brakes on Timberjack transfer case. The people that taught me took them all damn day long to teach me. So that just goes to show you how smart I am. So gotta give them guys credit that taught me what I know. They taught me a lot of stuff. My buddies Rico, Froggy, Pete. There's somebody else, I can't remember his name. H-Man. How could you forget H-Man? Taught me a lot of stuff about hydraulics, mechanics, myself, and a bunch of other shit I can't even think of. Thanks again, fellas.